que je suis tout seul. I'm alone. C'est ma femme qui filme. En tout cas, bonjour chers internautes, bonjour. La situation ne s'est pas beaucoup améliorée depuis la dernière fois qu'on s'est parlé. On est toujours en confinement. Rick White, c'est un gars de Moncton. C'est l'ancien chanteur de Eric Strip, un groupe qui ici à Moncton dans les années 90 a vraiment révolutionné d'une certaine façon la scène musicale ici à Moncton avec, on se rappelle, des musiciens qui étaient Julie Doiron, Marc Godette et bien sûr Chris Moon Socket. C'est aussi le chanteur de Elevator. Rick est un artiste visuel. Rick aussi a une passion, c'est de construire des modèles réduits de voitures. Et puis c'est vraiment intéressant. Et puis vous pouvez même voir le travail de Rick avec ses modèles réduits sur un site qui s'appelle Edquake. Vous pouvez voir Rick travailler, monter et construire ces voitures en modèle réduit. Rick nous a présenté son dernier projet. C'est une compilation des bands de Moncton des années 80, je crois que c'est 94 à 98, parce que Rick à cette époque-là avait un studio dans sa maison. Alors il a enregistré beaucoup de bands de Moncton de cette époque-là. Depuis quelques jours, je n'écoute que ça et ça me rappelle le bon temps, le temps où nous étions libres de faire vraiment tout ce qu'on voulait. Comme par exemple, se tenir la main dans un café, s'embrasser dans un parc. Je suis vraiment impressionné par cette compilation de Rick qui vient de ses archives personnelles. Alors, Rick, bonjour, comment vas-tu?
Hey Johnny, great to have you back.
Hope everything is good with you. Like I said in my introduction, I'm very excited about that project. I've been listening to the compilation for the last 2 days. So yeah, thank you for putting that together. It's a real breath of fresh air. Rick, can you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, for the last couple of years I've been going through all my old master mixes from the 90s, remastering it all and putting it in collections to release on my Bandcamp page. It's a great place to keep that stuff safe in case the original tapes ever conk out completely. And as a bonus, they're there for anyone else to hear too, if they want to.
So, Rick, do you have more archive like this in your studio?
I've got a lot of unreleased demos from then, not just my own stuff and Elevator stuff, but most all the sessions I did with other Moncton bands as well. At the time, I was one of the only guys in the scene, I guess, with a home studio, and though I didn't take on many paid jobs for people I didn't know, I loved to have my friends over and just record stuff for free. That's probably the reason why this compilation doesn't have all the bands that were in Moncton at the time. It's mainly just the friends I had, and me saying, you guys should come record now before you forget that stuff.
You have many bands on the compilation: Bad Luck 13, Eric Strip, Julie Doiron, Orange Glass, Idée du Nord, The Suddens. Anyway, it's incredible. It was a great pleasure for me to see that you had a whole and unreleased track of Syntax Error.
Yes, it was cool to include that Syntax Error song. It's a rare track that actually comes from a 1987 session they did in Montreal. I've been a big fan of theirs ever since, their Cow Shoe Nose Brain cassette. And when I found out, I think it was in 1997, that Jeep still had the master reel-to-reel 8-track tape. I got him to bring it over to the studio one night and we remixed it. There's actually 7 songs from that tape, so hopefully one day the whole thing will be heard again. But that's up to them. It's nice to have this one song included on the comp, though.
Thank you so much for putting this compilation together. And listen, we say hi to you from Moncton, and we'll talk to you soon.
Cool. Anytime, Johnny. It's been a pleasure.
Good luck with everything, Rick, and it's been a pleasure.